What's up, guys? I'm gonna scare our cat with this mask that we got at Halloween store. And I seen the video that this guy scared the shit out of his cat. So I want to see if this works on our cat. So let's see her reaction. I'm kind of like nervous and like excited. Alright, so let's see her reaction. Check if she's there.
No.
Call her.
Duchess!
Make noise on the wall.
She's right here, she's right here, she's right here. You're supposed to talk. See if she doesn't get scared of shit. See, she doesn't get scared of nothing.
Funny.
She is scared of you.
Well, she kind of got scared, but not really. But that was funny though. Her tail was like. That's just. You liked it? Alright, I'm gonna scare my cat again. Second time. Yesterday I tried to scare her and she kind of got scared, but I wasn't recording. But damn, she's one tough ass cat. I don't get it. You scared now? Hi, Duchess. I quit. I can't scare her. She's tough.
Have you seen the donkey's butthole?
What? You said, have you seen that chocolate butthole? What you say?
Have you seen that donkey's butthole?
Oh my god.